Hey there. Struggling with Wi-Fi issues can be incredibly frustrating, especially when everything seems to be in place, yet you're left with no internet access. In today's guide, we'll tackle the topic of how to fix Wi-Fi router no internet access. By following these steps, you can try to resolve the issue and get back online efficiently without having to endure long support calls or unnecessary headaches. Step 1. Check physical connections. First things first, ensure all your cables and connections are secure. Sometimes connectivity issues arise from cables being loose or unplugged. Check that your power cable, Ethernet cables, and any other cords related to your network infrastructure are properly connected. A loose cable or faulty connection can be the simplest fix for Wi-Fi router no internet access. Step 2. Restart your equipment. A classic troubleshooting step is to restart your router and modem. Simply unplug them from the power source. Wait about 30 seconds and then plug them back in. This process allows the device to reset and can often resolve temporary glitches or conflicts that may be causing the issue. Also, consider restarting your computer, smartphone, or any other device connected to the network. Sometimes the problem lies with the device rather than the router itself. Step 3. Check for network outages. Before diving deeper into complex troubleshooting, verify whether there's an outage in your area. Contact your internet service provider or check their website for any reported outages. This can save you from spending time on fixes if the issue is on the ISP's end. Knowing how to fix Wi-Fi router no internet access becomes easier when you eliminate external causes first. Step 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to connectivity issues. Access your router settings via a web browser by typing in the IP address, often found at the back of your router or in your user manual. Log in with your credentials and navigate to the Firmware Update section. Download and install any available updates. Regular updates from the manufacturer can enhance performance and security, as well as address known bugs. Step 5. Adjust Wi-Fi settings. Sometimes incorrect Wi-Fi settings lead to restricted access. Log into your router settings and check the configuration. Ensure that the SSID and password are correct and that your device is connected to the right network. Consider switching channels in the settings to reduce interference, especially if you are in a densely populated area where nearby networks may overlap. Step 6. Perform a factory reset. If all else fails, consider a factory reset as a last resort. This will revert your router to its original settings, deleting any custom configurations, but often resolving persistent issues. To do this, locate the reset button on your router, usually a small button requiring a pin to press, and hold it in for a few seconds until the router lights begin to blink. After resetting, you'll need to set up your network again. Fixing Wi-Fi router no internet access doesn't have to be a hopeless task. By following these steps, you can potentially resolve the problem and restore your internet connection without having to call in professional help. Always start with the simplest solutions, like checking your physical connections and restarting your equipment before moving on to more technical fixes. Remember to keep your network secure by regularly updating your equipment and verifying your settings. With this guide on how to fix Wi-Fi router no internet access, you can enjoy a smooth and uninterrupted browsing experience. Good luck, and may your connection be stable.